Yo, what's up? It's Ezra here from EzraSlayton.com. Today we're going to be doing a bit of an income report. I'm going to try to keep this one short and sweet for you. But $50 today. This is coming from Easy One Up and the FunnelX ROI system. The first income stream is this one right here, Easy One Up. And we had somebody pay twice. I'm not sure why. This guy Nadu, he's got to pay his other fees. So if you're watching this, Nadu, make sure you go in there and pay your admin fee so that you can become activated. Okay, you got to activate your account. Also, we've got a free account. Somebody's in the trial for this one for GetResponse, which is the second income stream for FunnelX ROI. And there's other income streams, but I'm not going to dive into those right now. There is ROI panel, like a click tracker, and then there's affiliate boost, and there's some other stuff. Survey Junkie today $1.50 there. I think AdSense is like at $1 so like at $53 earned today, so it's not too bad, I guess. Subscribers so far today we reset at 12 o'clock, and that was about an hour ago. So 39 yesterday, 3 today. It's been a slow day. Maybe everyone's kind of stressed out in the States or whatever because of all the shootings that are going on. It's getting a little crazy out there. It's turning into the Wild Wild West. I'm actually feeling like maybe I'll just stay in China instead of going back to America. But we'll see what happens. If things get too crazy over there, I'm definitely not going back. But anyway, you guys know how I get this income. I have my Pinterest account. Let's go video pins, and I'll show you the pin that generates the traffic. Turn that back on. What else? Oh, clickbank. Nothing going on really here today in clickbank. Just a few order form impressions, but that doesn't really. I don't really care about that. I want to see the sales. And no sales today. I actually haven't had any sales for a while, at least a week. So hopefully that'll change up, and we'll get some people into some programs. Okay, videos. I wanted to load this really quickly and show you the video, but it's moving a little slow. Let me close these out. Well, 825 so far with this one, boys and girls. So that's it. That's not too bad. It's not my best earner, but I'll take it. Come on now. While this is loading, I'll just give you guys a little something I'm working on. I'm doing paid ads. I watched Drell's video on Facebook ads and ClickBank. I pretty much swiped everything that he was doing with that, except that I changed the offer out. So I'm not going to be promoting the ClickBank product. I'm going to be promoting the Survey Junkie. So that's going to be, I think it's going to be, it's going to have a higher conversion rate because it's just for leads. Like the person only needs to submit their email account, maybe take another action, and then I'll get paid $1.50 for that. So that's pretty much easier. And if the click is only, let's say I'm paying like 15-20 cents a click, and if someone joins, then I don't know where I'm going with that, but basically the clicks are going to be cheaper than the leads. So alright, this is taking way too long. I didn't want to make this video too long for you guys today, but there it goes. There it goes. It's not any of those. Here's that Amazon pin. I wonder how that's going. Let me check that really quick. Amazon reports. Right here. This is that pen that's getting me these sales. Let me go to payments here. These are all the payments I've gotten except for the blog specialist bootcamp. Elevation, elites, those are all from Easy One Up. Originating mostly from this pin. There's a couple other, there's some other static pins that are bringing traffic to the offer or the landing page. I'll show you the landing page too while I log into this one. Logging in, this one's loading. Still at 72 cents. I want to see if there's any more clicks over here, because I might start doing more of those type of posts. You know, just to kind of. This is the landing page for FunnelX ROI. You know, they go from here to here, trying to keep David in the loop. But also, I want to let them know that you know, I'm involved instead of it just being David. So that's why I put this "You were invited by Ezra Slayton" up there. But yeah, this one's getting more clicks. It seems more clicks more often. So get a couple bucks rolling in there, and then all that stuff start adding up. And you know, eventually we'll get to the goal. This is the goal right here. I'm so happy and grateful for the fact that I'm earning over $10,000 every month. You guys should definitely get yourself some motivation, some kind of like a mantra that you say every day, or what do they call it? Affirmation. You know, so every time I open the computer, I'll look at this and think about my goals. I want to be playing golf with my son, Arthas, and I want to get a nice house in America. If things cool off out there, if people are shooting each other up left and right, then I'm definitely not trying to go back there with my family. It's not like that all over America. I'm sure there's nice places still, like Utah and Idaho probably don't have a big problem with this, with all the shooting, because you know the people there are more religious. Just less crime and stuff like that. But anyway, my wife wants to get this car. Yeah, I like motorcycles, so I want to get a nice little motorcycle like this one, maybe something like that. Really like Jeep Grand Cherokee. It's always been my favorite SUV, and I really like this color, so that's what I'm going for. And then I want to take my wife and my son and myself to see the Northern Lights, and then some snowboarding and stuff, because that's what I'm into. So that's just a little bit about me. To end the video, you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next video when we've got either some more income to report, or some way to make money or something like that. So until next time, we'll see you guys. Peace, love, and paychecks. Let's gain this grain. Adios.
Yo, what's up? Ezra here from EzraSlade.com. Today I want to talk to you about how you can earn money on Pinterest in 2019 and beyond. First, subscribe to the channel so I can share more ways for you to make money online. And if you want to know what I'm doing to make money online, what's working for me, then click the first link in the description of this video and I'll get you that information. Full disclosure, I'm testing it out, okay? So when you click on that thing and you check it out, you'll see what's going on, all right? Just go check it out. All right, so we're trying to make money on Pinterest this year, next year, and every year after that. And here's how it's gonna happen. First thing is obvious. You need to go ahead and set yourself up with an account. You can get a free account at Pinterest because they're all free. And I would suggest that you set it up as a business account. And if you would love to get a great profile going, then go to udemy.com and search for a free Pinterest course that's going to help you to set up your account and have your account looking just spectacular. In order to have a great looking account, you need to have boards, and you have to put several pins into those boards. All right, so when you first start your account, you're not going to have any content. I suggest that you just repin everyone else's content, that's popular stuff. Don't try to make your own pins, all right? You want to do maybe 10 boards, make 10 boards, all right? And then inside of those boards have at least 3, 4, 5 pins in them, all right? And they could be on different topics depending on whatever niche that you decide to jump into. Okay, so if you get into fashion, you could have men's fashion, women's fashion, clothes on a budget, whatever, I don't know. Just do that. 10 boards, 3 or 4 pins per board, all right? Make sure your profile is full, fill out the description so it looks good, okay? Next thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you're signed up with an affiliate program so that you can promote products and make money. I suggest that you get involved with the Amazon affiliate program because it's free. Pretty much anyone can get signed up with them. Unfortunately, like, the pay isn't very great with them. However, they have pretty much any product you can think of promoting for whatever niche you decide to get into. So if you're in health, they've got they got bands that you can promote. You can review products, create bands. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but Amazon's got tons of products that you can promote. If you want to do digital products like courses and things of that nature, I suggest ClickBank. You can use ClickBank. You can get tons of products on there to promote through your pins, all right? So after you have signed up with an affiliate program, you want to start creating your own pins, and those pins are going to have your affiliate link connected to them. So they need to be relevant to whatever it is you are promoting. So if you make a pin talking about the best, I don't know, the best way to make money online, then you would have your affiliate link be to a specific course for making money online, one that you think is going to be actually useful to the person. That you don't want to just spam crap out there, because it's not going to work. It's just not going to work. Okay. So you can either pin directly from the product itself. So what I'm saying is, like, if you go to Amazon, you get the photo and then you just pin it directly to one of your boards. Or you can create your own pins using something like canva.com, which is free online software. You can create beautiful pins, and again, I would suggest that you try to find a free Pinterest course that can help you to kind of learn the more of the details about how this stuff all works. All right, how you can create these beautiful pins without spending a ton of money or getting some graphic designer to help you do that. All right, so you've got your account set up, you signed up with an affiliate program, you're starting to pin and repin everyone's stuff. All right, so you're going to start getting traffic. People are going to start seeing your things, and the way that happens is through the next step, which is having good descriptions. All right, good descriptions, because Pinterest is essentially, it's a search engine, right? People go there, they're searching for something, and if you have good keywords in your description, if you have relevant keywords in your description, people will find your pins, all right? They will find your pins, and when they find your pin, they'll click on your link, and then you'll be able to have the opportunity to make a sale, all right? And then you'll make money through Pinterest, okay? So make sure that your descriptions are good, make sure you've got the right keywords in those descriptions, and make sure you're telling people that it's an affiliate link, or at least have some kind of disclosure so that people are aware that they're clicking on affiliate link. For whatever reason, people get a little weird about that. I don't see why. It's not like it's affecting them in any negative way. They're still going to pay the same price. They're just the company is just going to give you, the referrer, a little bit of money. So I never understood why people have a problem with affiliate links. Maybe someone can help me out with that. Why would you be pissed off if someone gave you an affiliate link? I mean, unless you don't want to support that person. That might be the thing. Okay, and the last few things I talked about, make sure that you're pinning often. Okay, Pinterest loves consistent action. They like it when you are pinning other people's popular pins, or just other people's pins in general. All right, it really helps you out as well. It gets you suggested in other people's things, and you'll turn up more often as well. Okay, but don't spam your own content. No one likes a spammer. All right, it's like the old golden rule. You don't spam. Don't spam. Don't go to Facebook and spam. Don't go to YouTube and spam. Don't go anywhere and spam stuff. No one likes spamming. Okay, got that? All right, so, and just to wrap this thing up, I got a few things here. Again, don't spam, write great descriptions, declare that it's an affiliate link, repin others' stuff, repin the popular content. Let's see, be consistent. Don't give up, all right? Don't give up. That's the big thing, because when you give up, you lose. All right? So that's it for this video, guys. If you want to earn money on Pinterest, follow those steps, and you'll be successful, baby. Anyway, I'll see you guys in my future videos. Peace.